Hello everyone, let's solve this simple math Olympiad question. We have if x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 equals to 0. We're asked to find the value of x exponent 2025 plus 1 over x exponent 2025. Now the first thing we need to do is to what? To recognize the properties of this equation. Now first thing first, we need to understand that there is no way x will have a value of 1. That is, x cannot be equals to 1. So what we need to do in this case is to find a way to what? To simplify this equation. All right, so let's simplify this equation. So the first thing to do is what? Now, okay, we're given x exponent 4 plus x exponent 3 plus x exponent 2 plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so to reduce this or simplify this, let's multiply the equation. Multiply the equation by x minus 1. Okay, we multiply this equation by x minus 1. Since x is not equals to 1, okay, x is not equals to 1, that is, x cannot be equals to 1, like I said. So let's multiply this by x minus 1. Okay, and let's see what this will simplify to. So we have x minus 1 multiplied by x exponent 4 plus x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1 equals to 0 times x minus 1. Okay, so if you distribute this in this case, we're going to have x exponent 5, x exponent 3, x exponent 4, okay, x exponent 3, x exponent 2 plus x. That is when we multiply the whole of this by what? X. Then let's again multiply by negative 1. So we have minus x exponent 4 minus x exponent 3 minus x exponent 2, okay, then minus x exponent 1, that's x, okay, then minus 1 equals to 0. So x exponent 4 minus x exponent 4, that will be 0. X exponent 3 minus x exponent 3, that will be 0. X exponent 2 minus x exponent 2, that will be 0. X minus x, that will be 0. Okay, so we'll be left with x raised to the power of 5 minus 1 equals to 0. So which means I can solve for x raised to the power of 5 in this case. So this will be x raised to the power of 5 equals to 1. So if x raised to the power of 5 is equals to 1, okay, now let's check this. We know that when we divide 225, that's 2025 by 5. Okay, this should give us 405. So which means 5 multiplied by 405 will give us 2025, which is 2025. So now we want to find the value of x exponent 2025, and we can write this to be x exponent 5 multiplied by 405. Okay, and then we know that this is same thing as x exponent 5 raised to the power of 405. Now we know that the value of x exponent 5 is 1. So that means we have 1 raised to the power of 405 to be 1. So which means that if we have x raised to the power of 2025 plus 1 over x raised to the power of 2025, that will be equals to, so the first one is 1, then plus 1 over 1, which is same thing as 1 plus 1, and the answer will be what? 2. So the value of x raised to the power of 2025 plus 1 over x raised to the power of 2025 is what? 2. Bye-bye.